In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing executable files on Steam, games not downloading. First thing you're going to do, open Steam, and then find the game that you're having an issue with. Let's say it's this one, right click, properties, and go to installed files, and select verify integrity of game files. Now this might take a few minutes, because it's verifying the integrity of all the folders. Now if this doesn't fix your issue, then you can go here, and first make sure that the Steam is closed down. So you would right click and then exit Steam to close it down. So after that you would go to Steam, right click, open file location, and all the way scroll all the way up, and then you want to go to Apache, and here you're gonna delete everything here. So select everything and delete, and after that restart your computer and restart the game, and hopefully your issue is fixed.